What if two parent classes inherit from the same grandparent? Who wins? That's diamond inheritance. Class D inherits from both B and C both inherit from A. When D calls a method on A, Python must pick a path. Without a rule, A's method could execute twice, once through each parent. Python's answer is the method resolution order, or MRO. A flat, linearized list of classes Python scans when resolving any method or attribute. Rather than traversing an ambiguous tree, Python reduces the hierarchy to a single predictable sequence. That sequence is built by the C3 linearization algorithm. C3 merges each parent's MRO with the local parent list, always selecting the class that heads at least one list but appears in the tail of none. The result is a deterministic order that preserves each class's original hierarchy. C3 enforces two properties. First, every class appears exactly once, so A's method runs only once regardless of path count. Second, parent classes are always resolved after all their subclasses. This monotonicity is what makes complex multiple inheritance consistent and conflict-free. Inspect the MRO at runtime using the dunder MRO attribute or the MRO method on any class. Both reveal a tuple showing the exact lookup order. Python's C3 algorithm turns diamond hierarchies into a flat, conflict-free lookup chain. Follow for more Python deep dives. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.